The blue light on your Spectrum router indicates a stable internet connection. No blue light usually signals a problem with power, booting, or the LED itself. First, ensure the router is plugged into a working outlet and receiving power. Check for blown fuses or voltage issues, as Spectrum routers require a 12-volt DC power supply. If using a surge protector, try plugging the router directly into the wall. Next, attempt a power cycle. Unplug the router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This resets the device and can resolve boot issues. If the light still doesn't appear, inspect the router for physical damage, such as bent ports or signs of overheating. Remember, routers operate best between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. If these initial steps don't work, it might indicate a hardware problem with the LED or a more complex issue. When basic steps don't resolve the issue, consider potential LED faults or firmware glitches. LEDs are hardware components that can fail over time, but software problems often cause similar symptoms. LEDs are small hardware components on the router that can fail. However, firmware glitches may also cause malfunctions. To address this, check for firmware updates through the Spectrum app or website. A recent update like version 2.3.1 from June 2024 for RAT2V1K routers addresses LED driver bugs. Install updates to potentially fix the issue. To isolate the issue, connect a device directly to the modem using an Ethernet cable, bypassing the router. If you get internet this way, the problem is with the router. Try accessing Spectrum's diagnostic IP at 192.168.1.1 in your browser to check the router's status and perform diagnostics. A factory reset can resolve stuck boot loops, but it will erase custom settings. Locate the reset button on the router's back panel. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support. Hardware failures may require professional intervention or router replacement. Looking ahead, Wi-Fi 7 routers provide better diagnostics and error logging. Mesh network expansions improve reliability by eliminating single points of failure.